How to deploy a website on Render. So just go ahead and choose web services like so. You may have a different interface, but as long as you go into web service, so new web service, it's gonna let you choose from a Git provider, public Git repository, or an existing image. So you can choose from those. In our case, we're just gonna go ahead and take a project from our GitHub. And once that's done loading, we're just gonna go ahead and fill in some information. If you take in a project from your GitHub, some of these should probably be already filled in. So just go ahead and fill in the rest that of course isn't, like the root directory, but that's optional. And then finally the instance type pretty much depends on you, what your budget is. In our case, we're gonna go with this since we don't have any other else to spend this thing on, and environment variables, whatnot. But once you're done filling in every other details, especially here in your advance, just go ahead and press on deploy web service. You're gonna have to fill in more stuff. For example, you have like a budget here. Of course, you're gonna put in a payment method for that. But that's pretty much how you can deploy a website on your Render. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.